Anti-Pogo sentiments in the bureaucracy and the public sphere are on the rise with each daily exposure or revelation inside the shady, sordid, and lawless domain in which they thrive. Hence, a number of proposed legislations from both sides of the aisle have been filed, save for one notable exception who wants the good and legit ones to keep doing business in the country, as our Mela Lesmoras reports.
PAGCOR should not voluntarily stop the preparation of Pogo in the country. Dapat yan, ang gawin ng Pogo dyan, tanggihan na. I'm calling on PAGCOR na tanggihan na itong mga to because this is not anymore helping our country.
This has been the appeal of House Committee on Human Rights Chair Bienvenido Abante Jr. amid various controversies currently associated with the Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators or POGOs. Abante said rather than allowing the situation to worsen, the operations of POGO should be completely terminated ASAP. Earlier, the lawmaker filed a proposal on the matter, and although it has been approved at the committee level, it is still awaiting progress in the plenary.
Since the Pogo started in the Philippines, talagang ang advocacy ko dyan, iban na yan lahat. No? Because number one, hindi lang magiging problema yan. Number two, hindi lang sapagkat I'm anti-gambling, kundi mga Chinese ito Mga Chinese na hindi ako naniniwala na mga ordinaryong Chinese lang ito
For its part, the Makabayan Bloc, led by House Deputy Minority Leader Franz Castro, also filed a separate House measure pushing to ban POGOs in the country.
Pinail natin ito dahil nga sa mga palala yung mga problema natin sa Pogo to the point na may mga nai-involve na, quote-unquote, involved na mga local officials. At ito rin, yung mga raid na nangyayari, napatunayan talaga na maraming mga Chinese people na employed dito sa Pogo ay hindi sapat yung kanilang mga documents para magtrabaho dito.
In contrast, House Committee on Ways and Means Chair Joey Salceda emphasized the benefits of legal POGOs to the country, especially under the current management of PAGCOR. Salceda highlighted only those doing illegal acts should be banned, and the government must not phase the whole industry out. Instead, a strict enforcement of the law is in order and the best fix to the problem. Prior to this, House Speaker Martin Romualdez assured that in any event or matter, the transgressors, troublemakers, and lawbreakers are always held into account.
Alam naman nila kung anong gagawin nila, so sila na lang bahala magmamonitor sa mga sitwasyon sa mga distrito nila.
Makonsider ba natin national threat itong Pogo? National threat ang Pogo operation po, ang Pogo.
Basta susunod lang lahat ng mga stakeholders dito sa lahat ng mga sektor ay sumunod lang sa mga batas. Okay, pero pag lumalabag, kahit sino ka man, talagang mapapaparusahan kayo.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.